Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down in order to find install unknown apps. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And if you'd like to allow particular app to install something, just find it and tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, just like in my case in Google Drive, I've just allowed it to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and your device at risk. So remember about that. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on the switcher. And of course, you can turn off the permissions. Just tap on the switcher again. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.